Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the PCV valve on this 2005 Toyota Camry. All right guys, pop the hood. This is a 3-liter V6, and the PCV valve on this car is right here. See this round thing? Look right underneath it. It's right there. So you're going to need a 19 millimeter to take that valve off. But before you do that, you need to remove that hose clamp and the hose. All right, I'm going to remove this hose so I have more room to get in there. All right, I'm able to squeeze this little clamp by hand. And now you need to remove this, but it's hard to get in there. All right, try using a screwdriver to pop off the hose. It's a tight squeeze, that's the problem. It's hard to get in there. Should come up by hand now. All right, guys, this is the old one. It's getting a little corroded, but you can still hear the ball in there moving, so it's still working. This is the new one. Has some thread sealing on there, and that's the part number. All right, let's throw this on. All right, guys, check this out. I noticed these hoses they're so old. They're the original hoses, and they're brittle, so they crack. So I need to get a new hose, but for now I'm just gonna throw this back on until I get the new part. All right, guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.